On my way to the Hello Kitty cafe. It's right there. Okay guys, this is a unboxing in the car of what I bought at the Hello Kitty cafe. So this is a keychain. I don't recall how much I paid for this, but I ended up wasting $80 on everything I bought. But this is the keychain. It's really cute. It's the new one. Sorry for all the movement. I'm in the car. And then I bought this iced tea, or mango iced tea. Still has some. This one, the glass was I think $5. And then the drink inside was like another $5 or something. But yeah, this is cute. So I bought that. And then I got a pot pie cookie. So right now they have the lemon one and this one they usually have it all season long. So I just bought this one. I've tried the lemon one before last year, I think, so I wanted to try this one. And then in this bag I got another glass, and then I got this Hello Kitty cafe mug. It's super cute. See? I want to open it so you guys can see it. Let me put this away. I also got the ice cream. I'll post a picture. I ate it already. But I'll post a picture. But I'll show you guys the mug. It's super cute. See, it says, "Have a nice day." It's bigger than the other ones. I do have the other ones, and this is pretty big. Look. And that's that. And it says, "Have a sweet day." I think it's really cute. So they only make these at the see, it says exclusive. They only make these at the Hello Kitty cafe. So since I was driving by, I thought I would stop and get this one to add to my collection of mugs. And oh, and then I got this other drink. This one, I haven't drank it yet. It's melting. This is a lemonade with mint, a strawberry lemonade with mint. And that's all I got. So if you guys like this haul, make sure to like and subscribe. Till next time, bye guys.